Oh, I'm the first person in my family to ever go to college. And I mean, ever. So that was the #1 accomplishment. That was my goal ultimately. No matter what I finished with, I wanted to have a degree. I was actually standing right here when I decided that I was going to come here. I was looking out and I was like, yeah, I need that nature in my life. I was homeless and I came here and I lived on campus in the suites. I've been blessed to have people come into my life and help me move forward. The Gold Degree Completion Program allows you to work, have kids if you have kids, and still go to school and finish. It was all-inclusive and it was totally accommodating for me. It met all of my needs and helped me accomplish all my goals. So I did a complete online program and the teachers are amazing.
I think of the Allie situation. I think Gardner-Webb, and who we say we are too, we are student-centered. And I think by being student-centered, you have the opportunity to build the relationships. It just helps you kind of get through the path faster. And Gardner-Webb allows you to establish those relationships, and really those relationships can help get to your end goal.
I beat every obstacle that was against me. Graduation, I bawled my eyes out. I literally cried walking across the stage. I have never been more proud to do anything in my whole life. I'm just living peacefully and moving forward with my life in a way that nobody else in my family has ever done, ever. So I'm proud.